Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today we'll be presenting railway construction. My name is Aiman from BSR602AP2295D and I'm from AP2295D. I will be talking about the definition, the planning and the construction process of the railway construction. What is a railway? Railway is a permanent track composed of a line of parallel metal rails fixed to the sleepers for transport of passengers and goods in trains. Next is the railway construction planning. The first one is to establish a foundation for all project resources. They also need to determine benchmarks and create schedules to support the project. And they need to set up team management and communication, review plan for design and construction feasibility, and lastly, monitor and report ongoing performance. The railway construction process mainly includes transportation and laying of railway sleepers and rails, ballast transportation, and laying. The preparatory work need to be done before the railway construction. This is such preparing the materials, and after simple cleaning of a roadbed, the next step of railway construction can be started. The first one is to lay ballast in a bottom layer. For the first ballast laying of railway track construction, only the bottom layer should be laid, and the remaining ballasts are transported by trains after the railway line is laid. Next is the railway sleeper transport and laying. The railway track construction machine lifts the concrete sleeper from the rear container, transfer it to the front cantilever, falls into the position, adjust the position, and place it on the ballast. Track laying will still use the railway track construction machine. The machine lifts the steel rail section up and move it to the iron plate. After adjusting a position, the railway track machine put down the rail and continue to lay the next section of rail. For ballasting work, it is include transporting, uploading, tamping, ballast trimming, and other operations. After track laying and ballasting, the rail section need to be fixed to form a stable line. Fish plate and fishbolt are usually used to connect rail section of ordinary railways.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi ta'ala wabarakatuh. My name is Nazriqrullah ID student 20192564554 from AP2295D. Now I will explain about the material, benefit and challenge on railway construction. That have 6 main material using in the railway construction, which is a ballast bed, steel rail, railway sleeper, railroad tie plate, rail clip and railway fish plate. Next is a benefit of railway transportation, which is a safety, dependable, better organizer and large capacity. The chance of accident and breakdown of railway are minimum compared to the other transportation. Topography is the #1 challenge of railway construction. Other than that is a mountain area, climate condition and permafrost.
Hi, my name is Saleha and it's my turn to tell you about the maintenance and safety and health related to railway construction. Among the examples of common maintenance performed by train crew, they are maintenance in the division and adjustment of railway transmission as well as cleaning of railway ballast. Furthermore, maintenance of immediate repair to locations that have a high risk of danger to passengers and employees. In addition, the maintenance of subway track and rigorous inspection against damage to railway or work area path cause visual damage and natural phenomena. Therefore, there are superior responsibility in ensuring safety and health in the construction of good railway include ensuring the work machinery and equipment are in safe working order as well as identifying any hazard in high-rise area and liaising with the local safety and health department if the hazard cannot be mitigated. Meanwhile, one of the worker responsibility include to follow and practice health work procedure by use and maintain all personal protective equipment provided by the employer and notify the employer immediately when even in danger. However, the sustainable consideration need to be taken into the railway construction should be provision of easily accessible train facilities such as sign, train movement information and map, and reduce the environmental impact of railway construction. Among the most common issue in railway construction include the risk of electrical shortage, particularly in high voltage location, and the employees' error when maintaining a damaged track. These are some example guidelines such as safety and health management, railway safety requirement, and asset infrastructure safety.